welcome back to my channel. So, oh my goodness, my eyes. So, Jameka is pausing a lot because this is under my eye. So, today I am going to school. I've been to the online school this morning, but I'm going to school face to face. That's crazy. I got school at 6 o'clock and I'm about to pick up pizza. So I'm gonna start looking presentable so I can pick up a pizza. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure I get me to 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, we're about to go to Marco's before the back to school rush, because today is back to school. So I just gonna put on something to wear for back to school to get me back in the back to school spirit. You know what I mean? So, you'll see me looking like a bum now. I got my bonnet on or whatever, but I need to take it off. I need to pick an outfit for later on today. I will, speaking into existence, I will be recording me actually getting ready. Please, someone send me a reminder to be like, Jameka, record yourself getting ready. Whatever. But yeah, let me go hurry up, get ready. And keep on these same pants, tights things that I'm wearing, and put on one shirt. Or you can keep on the same shirt. I don't know, maybe. The pizza's something now, guys. It is officially 1 hour and 30 minutes until my sister picked me up for me to go to school, and I have no outfit. Like, throw on my favorite shirt and some jeans and call it a day, because I didn't really take no pictures in that outfit before. I always wear that, and I don't want to think people think I ain't got no clothes because I just get clothes for the wrong Anyways, I gotta hop back in the tub because it's hot, okay? It's hot. So if I figure out an outfit, I can come back to y'all, and then I do my eyebrows and a little light beat. But I love my face now because it's getting so much clearer. I don't know that. It's getting so much clearer because I wasn't really putting on makeup like that. I only just wear makeup like when I go out, and that's like out. But I like my face. The lighting is so weird in here, but you know, the bathroom scene. But I gotta go hop in the tub, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit if I find one. I love ears. This is fun. But yeah, guys, I'm wearing my varsity jacket. I can put it on. But I'm wearing varsity jacket, white shirt, and some jeans, like cup up, and some Crocs. So yeah. Now I can go to the ATM. Yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place.
So I'm heading orientation
Just you and me.
for
We
cosmetology.
can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive?
Huh?
Look in my eyes. Do you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still You know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on. Put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we got.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
I have to do this over.
So like currently at school, I didn't get no type pictures. I mean, I get some pictures, but I could finesse, I think. But I didn't really get pictures like that. So now, I'm ready to make this a bit more. I look so cute. And I'm not going to school tomorrow. It's gonna be fully virtual. I'm by myself now. I can't tell us wait when I'm showing. I need a pizza because I got pizza. This is gonna be so short. Oh my gosh. What you want to talk to?
I try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might be playing with. Makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just on myself. Keep playing this over and over again. Swear that you change, but I follow a lot of
International people. Okay guys, so I just included a couple clips of what I did today. I had cosmetology again today, and I just wanted to include some clips of me actually in class because we're going to be doing the hybrid method, which is some days we go to school and some days we be online. So I just wanted to incorporate that in my vlog. So I know that yesterday was very short. I didn't record much of yesterday because I don't really know why, but thank you guys for watching so very much. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure I get me to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, this is Jameka signing out, and that's on period. Bye.
Think you know your girl is so funny to be. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all night, looking from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home with no